Mumbai may be known as the financial capital of India, but it is also a city with a heart. Despite concrete jungle, its heart beats for the specially challenged human beings. The compassionate side of the metropolis was exemplified once again when Lions International held a mini Olympics for the physically challenged school children of Mumbai. On a day of clear sky and bright sunshine, children from all walks of life trooped into Priyadarshini Park at Breach Candy for fun and games that saw a great deal of fierce but fair competition between the sporting athletes. Lions International believes in practice of benevolence in every walk of life. And as in the past, District 323A1, under the stewardship of Lion Krishnakant Udeshi, a prominent promoter of mini Olympics for specially challenged children, proved that when human beings are sensitive and caring, then they can bring happiness and contentment in the lives of others.
Very fantastic, because I am doing since last 18 years. So naturally I am enjoying, that's why I am continuing these activities. So naturally I am feeling well that whatever I have started and that is continuing, that is my pleasure. And the students, they are coming, handicapped students, and the way in which they are reacting, and I feel very happy from the heart, and that's why I am continuing these activities.
Supported by Bank of India, the Mini Olympics, in association with Social Welfare Department of the Government of Maharashtra, became a time of bonhomie for the school children, who came in colorful sports uniforms and went about their actions like true professionals.
I got up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I was excited and I thought, why don't we get up and just rush? I was here by about 8 o'clock, I think, and I found the crew, the people, the children all walking in, a lot of enthusiasm in them, and they were just smiling. And this is a program we've been doing for the last 18 years. I'm happy. As a governor, it's an opportunity for me. We have a great sponsor in the Bank of India who have sponsored the whole event. And there are many other Lions and friends who have sponsored, partly sponsored. I'm also very happy that we could get the assistance of the crew of Rajni Acharya and his team to cover this event in a larger way. This event is our signature project, and 18 years of fantastic work. We look forward to the next 7 years. As a DG team, me, Ravi and Armaiti, we are looking forward to creating miracles for everybody here.
That friendship needs no language, the children proved when they from different schools quickly became friends in complete harmony with the flora and fauna of the landscape. Like all true champions, these children brought smiles to their audiences with their camaraderie, will and determination to do well in all circumstances.
फ्रेंड्स, आप देखिए कि सुबह से यहाँ पे करीबन 1000 बच्चे, स्पेशल बच्चे, उनके पेरेंट्स के चेहरे के ऊपर आनंद देखिए, उत्साह देखिए उनका, जो एक के हम भी कर सकते हैं, यस वी कैन, और उन्होंने करके दिखाया।
मेरा नाम श्रावणी पवार है। मैं श्रीमती कमला मेहता दादर ब्लाइंड स्कूल में सीखती हूँ और मुझे यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
This is the 18th year, but as a centenary governor, it will be completing 2 decades. 2 decades of Special Olympics. Means we have carried Olympics to far further heights, and we also wish and pray that still it will be carried on to other levels also. Thank you very much.
March Joliet fellow. 1, 1, 2. Behalf of Lions Club International, BJPCR Band Unit, welcome to all. Welcome, sir. On behalf of Lions Club International, the BJPCR Band Unit welcomes you all. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for welcome, sir.
But before the games, the spirited lions treated everyone with a great feast.
लायंस क्लब इंटरनेशनल को हम शुभकामनाएं देते हैं कि इस तरह की और भी अनेक गतिविधियों में वो बढ़ चढ़ कर भाग लें। और बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से मैं साहब की तरफ से भी विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि बैंक ऑफ इंडिया सदैव तत्पर है। एंड दैट्स वाई आवर लोगो इज रिलेशनशिप बियॉन्ड बैंकिंग। तो ये बैंकिंग के अलावा जो अतिरिक्त जो संबंध है, उस संबंधों की कड़ी में हम उनके साथ जुड़ रहे हैं और आगे जुड़ते रहेंगे।
These children, despite their many challenges, inspire every one of us to accept our lives with a smile.
हमारी तैयारी है। देखिए, जीतेंगे तो जीतेंगे, हारेंगे तो भी कुछ नहीं।
We are all region chairmen very happy to be here today at Priyadashini Park, witnessing the unique event of Olympics for the handicapped. Thank you.
I'm region chairperson too. Very happy to see the special children do the wonderful Olympics. All the best to the children.
I am region person of region 3, proud to be a lion.
This is Lion Farida, contractor, region chairperson, region 4. It is a proud privilege of all the lions to be active part of this today's special Olympics.
Soon it was time to assemble on the sports field and march together. Inspired by Helen Keller, they exemplified that life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
This is the 18th year of our Special Olympics. And at this occasion, I have pleasure to welcome our dignitaries. Today we have with us General Manager Sri Dinesh Kumar here with us. I welcome him. We have our very Ladla Hota is there. Our International Secretary Lion Neville Mehta. Our Governor Lion Santosh Sri. And the person who is after this also, and he has helped us like anything. First up, and second is Secretary. I also welcome Sarah Madam, Assistant Commissioner, Social Welfare, Maharashtra. Let me cuddle Almighty Mr. Lion Smith. Lion Smith is our special guest today. from Bank of India, Das Gupta ji. To this occasion, Principal of Kamla High School, Blind High School. She is completely blind, but she is the principal of the blind school. So friends, today, 18th year we are celebrating this special sport. At this occasion, with this dignitaries, I welcome all principals, all representatives of the banks, other our guests, and all students. We have today about 730 students participated in these sports. There are several events are there. Now parents and teachers, in addition to these 750 students, parents and teachers